Moving from Hawaii to Vatican City might sound daunting, but with the right planning, it can be smooth and stress-free. Let's talk about costs, logistics, and tips to make your move easier. International moves like this can vary widely in cost depending on the size of your shipment, method of transport, and additional services. On average, you can expect costs to range between $7,000 and $15,000 USD. Several factors influence your moving cost. Volume of items. More belongings mean larger containers and higher shipping fees. Transportation method. Sea freight is cheaper but slower. Air freight is faster but more expensive. Customs and import fees. Vatican City has specific regulations that can affect the final price. Proper packing is key for international moves. Use sturdy boxes, label everything, and consider professional packing services for fragile or high-value items. This ensures your belongings arrive safely. Plan your move in advance. Sea freight can take several weeks, so scheduling early helps you avoid delays. Also, consider the shipping season. Some months may have higher demand, increasing costs. Moving from Hawaii to Vatican City doesn't have to be overwhelming. The team at 3 Movers can handle logistics, shipping, and customs clearance, ensuring your move is smooth, safe, and stress-free.